Dutchman here. I'm gonna give up on the intro for a little bit till I get something situated, because it's really becoming an annoyance. Another review for you today. Turn the switch off. Another review. Another Evolution product. Peanuts. It's the EVO saw, the 380 chop saw. I did that one. This one, the Rage 2. Remember that review? Well, we got the granddaddy of this one. Let's check it out. Let's check it out, man. Hopefully, we won't have to assemble anything because I got into trouble last time. I really messed up the video. I couldn't. Man, it was a mess. We know what that is. Oh, look, goggles. Safety first. And one cool thing is they give you extra brushes. Oh, and earplugs too. Pity not. The brushes are very handy. Although I've never the abrasive saw, I've never had to replace brushes on it. It's cool to have that. There it is, all one big chunk. Oh my god! That sucker's heavy. One-handed right there. Look at that. Oh, dude, this thing is massive. Holy smokes. She's mucho. I sure could use some help with my videos. Anybody want to step up and be my camera person? Doesn't pay anything, but we have a whole lot of fun. Oh! Okay. Gotta get the plug. Gotta get the plug ready. Who's gonna plug it in? Quality never. Quality never. Quality never. Alright. So there's your unboxing. Pretty straightforward. Box, packaging, product. I never could understand the unboxing videos. It's like, is it something fancy about the boxing or something? I don't know. Although if you get that Demon dollar extra box for the Demon, the Dodge Demon, no, that's an unboxing. Oh baby. All right, let's move it over here. Plug it into the unit. See what we got. Need find a chunk of steel. We will. There's some more packaging here to deal with. Have to release the. Whoa, do my flash there. Oh, cool! It's got a place to hold the wrench. I like that. Wow, look at that tool bed. Oh, that's pretty sweet. I like that. That's pretty sweet. Flip it over there, and then you can screw it into place. Gotta find the knob, the knob. Oh, this is cool, man. And then it's got the. Oh, this is convenient as heck. This the miter part of it is pretty nice. I like this piece because it's always a nightmare trying to get this thing adjusted. And this way you could just, oh, that's cool. I like that. I like that a lot. Yeah, I'm digging that. Heck yeah. So, I mean, this is all cast iron here. It's heavy duty. Heavy duty. All right. And this is a 14 inch. 14 inch. The other one, well, the other was 14 inch too, right? Is it 14 inch? Yeah, it's 14 inch too, although it looks bigger. That's pretty sweet. Let's find a chunk of steel. We got a big beefy chunk of steel we can try. Big beefcake chunk of steel. That's not very beefy. Wait a minute. I have this stuff back here that I came with my lift. It's heavy duty, right? This stuff right here. Now we'll cut the big long pieces. Yeah, cut some big long pieces. Yeah, stand by, stand by. Oh, here's a big chunk of channel right here. There's a big heavy duty chunk of channel. Let's see how this is gonna work. Oh baby. Except I'm gonna have to prop it up. I should have tested this first, no? That's part of the excitement of the unboxing, right? Okay. What should we do here? Should we just cut the end of it off or what? Yeah, let's cut the end off. So we need to prop this end up. Need to prop her up. How about this piece of styrofoam? Oh yeah. Alright. We'll get it. Don't you worry, we'll get it. Don't you worry, we'll get it. It's not high enough. Another piece of styrofoam. Quality never. Quality never. Alright, that'll do it. I was reading the instructions, believe it or not. They were talking about how to not, the proper way to cut it. And I don't think I'm doing it right. I don't think I'm doing it right. Let's consult the instructions because I don't want to blow myself up on camera. Instructions. You gotta have instructions sometimes. I admit it, you gotta have instructions. Let's try it. Let's put on the goggles. Pretty cool. It comes with goggles and all that safety goodies. Nope. Stand by. I'm a deep sea diver. Alright, let's try it. Wow. Wow, that's amazing. Look at that. No, just a little bit of flash. You could actually just take and knock it off with your finger. Wow. I mean, it's not even warm. I mean, if you were to cut that with that abrasive wheel that I had, it would have took you, it would have took probably the better part of a minute to cut that. And you'd have had sparks and heat and all kinds of flashing. That's a pretty nice. Wow. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. I love it. So this one's even better than the first one I got. So there you go. Evolution. I'm digging them. I'm digging them. See, look at that. It says quicker, safer, more accurate, and economical than an abrasive saw. Look at that. You go through 20 abrasive discs to one steel blade. And how about those discs are like, oh, it's got a chip collection tray? No. No, really? Buddy. How do you open it? There you go. Oh, look at that. A chip collection tray. What a nice. What a nice. They've thought of everything. Those little rascals. That's pretty neat. And the other thing I like is that if the blade's protected. You know, because I got my grandson going to be running around here, you know, and he's going to be building dune buggies and go-karts and stuff with his grandpa. He might get a hold of this thing, hurt his little baby self, so we can't have that. So that's it. Another product review from Evolution. Get out there and build something.